It's autumn now. Eat more loofah in autumn. So how to make loofah so that it doesn't come out of the water? I will share the detailed method with you today. Let's take a look at how it is done. I bought 2 meat loofah for Liu Yuan today. When we are picking loofah, you should choose this shorter one. And it feels hard. It's flexible. This loofah is fully hydrated, just a pinch can squeeze out water. The description is very fresh. First, we peel off the skin of the loofah with a peeler. Don't peel the loofah skin. Be gentle. Don't use too much force. Just peel off the rough skin on the surface of the loofah. Loofah skin is rich in nutrients and the pellet is elastic. Shallow it. The color is also more emerald green. After peeling the skin clean, we cut off the head and tail of the loofah. Do not wash the loofah. Cut it in half first. Then divide it into 4. Then remove part of the middle of the loofah flesh. Because the melon flesh has more moisture, it's easier to get out of the water when frying. Here we go. We cut the loofah into our favorite top pieces. You can also cut the loofah into thin slices. After all are cut, put the loofah in a larger bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Pour on some white vinegar. Then pour in a little more water to cover the loofah. Add salt and white vinegar. It can effectively prevent loofah from oxidizing and turning black. Next, prepare another yuan white jade mushroom. Eating more fungi has many benefits for the body. Let's cut off the roots of the white jade mushroom. Then tear the white jade mushrooms into small pieces by hand. Just break it apart one by one. Next, put all the white jade mushrooms into the water. Simply wash the white jade mushrooms. After washing, soak it in a bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a red pepper. Remove chili pedicle, and then we cut it in half. Remove the chili seeds inside. Then cut the peppers into long strips. And then finally, with a slanting knife, cut the pepper into little squares. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Use the same method to cut a little more green pepper. Also cut it into squares. Green and red peppers are mainly used to match the color. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. Cut the garlic into thinner thick slices. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare some shallots. Take the scallion white part. Cut scallions into scallions. After cutting, put it together with the garlic and set aside. 2 eggs in a small bowl. Add a little salt. Add a little white vinegar to remove the fishy smell. Then use chopsticks to fully stir the eggs. Beat the eggs until they are provoked with chopsticks. Add a little salt to a small bowl. A little chicken essence. Add a little sugar to freshen up. A little light soy sauce to improve flavor. Add a little cornstarch. Finally, pour in a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Let's make a sauce in advance. It can prevent you from being in a hurry when frying. Boil water in a pot. Boil the water and add some salt. Add a few more drops of cooking oil. Then pour the cut loofah down and blanch the water. The blanching time should not be too long. Blanch the loofah until it changes color. We will control the water with the blanched loofah. Take it out and put it in cold water prepared in advance. This can keep the green color of the loofah changed. Then pour the white jade mushrooms into the water and blanch them. Blanching white jade mushrooms can effectively remove oxalic acid. It can also remove part of the formaldehyde. Blanch and remove for later use. Next, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the eggs down and fry until fragrant. Don't rush to flip the eggs after they are placed in the pot. Crush the eggs. Fry the eggs longer. Fry to taste. After it's all fried, we put the eggs out first and set aside in a bowl. Then another pot, add a little cooking oil. After the oil, pour down the garlic and scallion and fry until fragrant. After frying, pour down the blanched loofah. Then turn to fire. Stir fry quickly and evenly. First, fry the moisture on the surface of the loofah dry. Directly burst with oil. You can fry the loofah for fragrance. After frying the incense, add all the white jade mushrooms. Keep stirring. Fry dry the moisture of the white jade mushrooms. Next, add the green and red peppers. Green and red peppers should be put earlier. Because it didn't blanch, so we fry it until it's released. You can also put the loofah before putting it, but the color fried like that is not so good looking. Then add the eggs. After the eggs are placed in the pot, quickly let all the ingredients in it absorb the fragrance from each other. Finally, add the prepared sauce. After the sauce is put into the pot, quickly stir-fry evenly. Let all the ingredients absorb the aroma of the sauce. It's going to be on fire all the way here. The loofah fried in this way will not come out of the water. A very simple and delicious stir-fry. The loofah is ready to come out of the pot. In the future, buy a loofah and take it home just tender like me. And crisp, nutritious. And it doesn't come out of the water loofah and doesn't emerald green, crisp, smooth and fragrant. The eggs and white jade mushrooms inside are also very delicious. If you like it too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.